I have a workshop that I'm doing on Sunday, and it's a group of adults who are empty nesters, meaning their kids are grown, they've either gone off to college or moved out of the house, and that means that these people are in a serious transition in their life. They're shifting their identity, they're shifting who they are and how they live. So I want to have some artwork that's related to that idea of transition, of maybe things not being so clear. As I prepare for this workshop, I find myself really thinking a lot about transitions. And even though my daughters have been out of the house for over 10 years, some days I really miss them. And sometimes, if I'm honest, I love the quiet. I love that my house stays clean and I'm not picking up after anybody else. But, you know, as I'm making these paintings, I start by putting these dots on the paper. And I'm thinking about each dot represents the love that I put in, the energy, the hopes, the dreams that I poured into not only my children, but being a parent. And then I took the squeegee and I pulled it across the page. And the moment that I did that, I let go of control. I was forced to let go of control. You know, sometimes the paint became really muddy. Sometimes I was pleasantly surprised by what came out. Like, wow, really love the way these look. To me, that's the powerful metaphor for life. You're navigating an empty nest, retirement, relationship change, job change, any major transition. Growth often requires us to loosen our grip and let go of control and embrace the chaos, embrace the fact that we have very little control in our lives, because sometimes the beauty comes from the letting go.